Hey everybody, it's GregRBaird of Gregor Speaks, and how are you? And hello to all of you out there, and in celebration of LGBTQ plus Pride Month, I am here in beautiful Saugatuck, Michigan. It's in southwest Michigan. I come here often during the summer, as many of you know. Also to the neighboring Douglas, Michigan, which you also will see on this video. But I'm here celebrating Pride Month. I had a little time to sneak away for the weekend from all my lectures and everything, but I'm here in downtown Saugatuck, this beautiful garden that's here, and just wanted to lead off and say hello and welcome. And you're going to see some really wonderful things in the area, stores and sightseeing and the waterfront, everything. So I hope you will join me in celebration of a beautiful place in southwest Michigan and LGBTQ plus Pride Month here on Gregor Speaks. But first, we gotta do the intro.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I want